Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix cursor jumping problem in Windows 10. So there is one really simple solution that I recommend you to check. First, we need to go to the left down corner and click right mouse button icon of Start, and then we need to go to Device Manager. Now we need to find here something like mice and other pointing devices. We need to click on the arrow on the left side, and then we need to click right mouse button on Hit Complaint Mouse. Then we need to go to Properties, and now we need to go to Driver. Here you have special function, update the driver for this device. We need to click on this one button on the left side of this option. So I click here, and you will be able now to update drivers for this device. So how do you want to search for drivers? We need to choose here search automatically for drivers. Then Windows will search your computer for the best available driver and install it on your device. So I click this option, and how you see, we will get this one information. The best drivers for your device are already installed, but if you have any old drivers, it should be updated. So now I click close button, I click close button here too, and then this action should fix your problem. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel, and if you want to help me too, remember to buy me coffee from link in description.